video blog. It's 10:34 and as you can see, I've captured this Weldingman here. I'm going to interrogate it for now, and the location, it's a secret hideout under the stage, and now I'm gonna go interrogate it. So, how are you? How was your day? Okay, cut it. What's your favorite color? Are you not gonna respond? Okay. I'll be back. Guys, I will be back later because right now he's not really responding. This isn't what we expected, but I'll be back later, maybe 3 hours later. So, take 1, stop. Take 2 of my Weldingman interrogation. It's 11:11. Make a wish, Weldingman. I already had my wish. I caught a Weldingman, so now I'm gonna go interrogate him some more. Maybe now he'll answer after a couple of hours, or when. So, what college did you graduate from? Okay. What type of pets do you have? Okay, that's okay. How did you get here? How many of you are there? How many females are there? Males? Pets? Any dogs? No? Yes? Okay. 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 That wasn't what I expected, but I'll be back later. I hope you know I will be back soon. So, take 2. Done. Okay, this is video vlog number 3. Now I think we just had some coffee and we discussed it. Not really, but... And now, for the truth. So, one last time. Who are you? Okay, I guess we'll do this the hard way. Or not. Okay. Never mind, guys. We'll solve this later. That's it for video blog number 3. Video blog number 4. And it's 1:30 a.m. I've really had enough of this Weldingman and everything that's going on. I just don't understand why. Where are all these masks coming from? Where is this coffee time? I just want to know who the Weldingman is. I just want to know who the Weldingman is. That's all I ever wanted. I've had enough. I had enough because the Weldingman I have to go.